If you are a Nigerian and you have a SIM card, you have a smartphone and you have NIN, this video is for you. Watch it to the end.
Okay.
Some of you might be sharing your NIN number with some other numbers. You may not know. Someone might use your NIN to link their SIM card, and you may not know that you are sharing that your NIN with someone else.
No, I can't accept that. And
one thing about it is that if they commit any crime with it, because some of them might use it and commit a fraud. So for you to know if you are sharing your NIN with someone else, I'm going to show you in this video how to check how many people is using your NIN with you. Make sure you like this video, comment, like and share so that other people can also watch and see it, so that they will not fall victim. Join me, let me take you to my phone screen. Go to your call dialer and dial *996#. Send it. When you send it, choose the fourth option, number 4. Then when it opens like this, the second option, number 2. So it's loading. So at this point, they are going to send you the numbers that are linked on your NIN to your text message. So you are going to check your text message. They are going to send you the number there. As you can see, it has entered. So see, they say thank you for choosing MTN. Find yellow. So I have checked mine. It's only my own number that is being linked up. So if you find out that you have a strange number there that is here in the message, do well to contact MTN, or you can block the line or unlink it from your NIN so that it will not cause trouble for you tomorrow. If you find this video very helpful, because I know that you might have find it very helpful, so do well to follow my Facebook page, like, comment, share the video. Please share. Thank you.
Love me. Love me. Love me.